Hazrat Fatima, the daughter of Mundhir, states that Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, said, I visited Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha while solar eclipse. The people were performing the prayer and she was also performing the prayer standing. I thereupon asked, what has happened to the people? She thereupon beckoned towards the heaven with his hand and said, Glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I asked, any sign? She nodded her head. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had finished the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam extolled and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and then said, I have seen everything in this place which I did not see ago. Even I have seen heaven and hell, and it has been revealed to me you will undergo a trial approximately similar to that of Dajjal, Antichrist, in the graves. So the believer or the Muslim, I don't know which word Hazrat Asma used, will say, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to us with clear signs, miracles, so we obeyed him and believed in him. He will thereupon be said, sleep in peace. We knew you were a believer. And the hypocrite or the suspicious, I don't know which word Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha used, will say, I know nothing. I would say only what I would hear the people say. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7287.